Hey guys, welcome to One Best Trade. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to trade options from the TradingView charts of DAN. And also, I'm going to explain you how to place stop loss, how to trail the stop loss. Before getting into our core topic, let me tell you a little bit about DAN. DAN is a young, vibrant, emerging discount broker in India. This company founded in the year 2021 by Mr. Praveen Jadhav. He is an ex-CEO of Paytm Money and also he has a vast experience in trading and investing. This company got initial funding from startup stalwarts or founders of famous startups like Zomato, Shaadi.com, PhonePe, Freshworks, Flipkart and many more. And also they got a funding from the famous VCs also. Friends, I am very sure they are going to build the finest trading and investing platform for Indian traders and investors. Come, let's dive into our core topic. To log in DAN TradingView platform, all you need to do is just go to the dan.co website and then go and click log into TradingView chart tab. So automatically you'll be directed to TradingView platform. Just put your registered mobile number and password and then log in. Friends, I have opened DAN TradingView platform. Before getting into our core topic, how to trade options from the chart, let me give you a pro tip how to set up a chart layout for option buying or an option selling. Friends, all you need to do is just go to the chart layout tab and select the 4-window chart layout. Just go and double click it. And in the first window, you open Nifty cash chart, and the second window, you open Bank Nifty cash chart, and third and fourth window, you just open respective call and put option. Just go to the market watch list and select the window. Just open Nifty cash chart here. And in this window, just go and open Bank Nifty cash chart. And in third and fourth window, you want to open call and put options. Friends, to open a call and put option charts, it is very easy. For example, you want to trade Bank Nifty options. All you need to do is select Bank Nifty chart, right click from the mouse, select option chain, select option you want to buy or sell. First select the window, just go to the particular strike price. For example, you want to open 35,900 call option, just go and keep the cursor near LTP, just go and double click. So your option chart is opened. Now here you want to open 36,200 put option. Just go and keep the cursor near LTP, just go and double click. Particular option chart is opened. Now your chart layout is ready, you're good to go. Just wait for the best setup. If you find a upside momentum, just select a call option chart, just go and maximize it. Now you can place the orders from the chart itself. Come, let's explore how we can place different types of orders from the chart. Friends, so let's understand first when to place a different type of orders. For example, if you want to buy instantly with a market price, then use market order. Use market order. And if you want to buy below market price, then use a limit order. Use a limit order. If you want to buy above market price, especially if you want to buy just breakout of this candle, then you can use this order, that is stop limit order. This order you have to select because stop market orders are no more valid in future and options market. You have to use a stop limit order. So we have understood when to use a different type of orders for option buying. If you are an option seller, if you want to sell below market price, just use a stop limit order. If you want to sell above market price, use a limit order. That is the difference. Now let's see how we can execute different type of orders from the chart. Friends, in DAN TradingView charts, you can place orders in 3 different methods. The first method is using buy sell buttons in the chart panel. Just go and press the buy button or sell button, then select your order type and then select the quantities and then go and place it. This is how you can place an order from the chart panel buy sell buttons. The second method is placing orders from the doom panel. Just go and select the doom panel. Using buy and sell button in the doom panel, you can place it, and also you can place directly from the bid and ask panel. Just go and select where you want to buy, just click, you can place it. And if you want to sell, just go and select the price where you want to sell, just go and click it. This is how you can place orders from the doom panel. Now let's go to our third method, very important and useful method. Here we are going to place an orders directly from the chart using mouse. For example, the current market price of option is around 410 rupees. You want to buy around 470 rupees. All we need to do is just keep a cursor near 370 rupees and then go and press the plus button and then select buy or sell depending upon your requirement. For example, if you select buy, automatically it will select a limit order because you are buying below market price. Then specify the quantities and then go and press buy button. That's all. Your order get placed. You can see the notification. You can also cross check. You go to the order book. You can see the pending order. If you want to modify this, just drag and drop it. So this is how you can place limit order from the chart. If you want to cancel this order, just go and press the into mark. Ask you confirmation, just go and press yes. Automatically your order get cancelled. You can see the notification. Now let's see how we can execute market orders. All we need to do is just keep a cursor near market price and then just go and press the buy button, select market and then go and execute it. So now our order got executed. You can see market is moving in our direction. So if you want to exit the position, just go and click into mark in the position tab. Automatically your position get closed. In this example, we closed position with profit. Now let's see how to place stop limit by order. For example, current market price is around 414 rupees. You want to buy if price crosses the 440 rupees. All you need to do is just keep a cursor near 440 rupees, then press plus button and then press buy. But by default it selects a stop market order. But if you place that order, you'll get an error, order got rejected, because stop limit orders are no more valid in future and options market. So that you have to select stop limit order. By default, order window takes stop market order, but you have to select stop limit orders while trading options. So let's keep the cursor near 440, then go and press the buy button, then change it to stop limit, then specify the limit price. Limit price should be higher than stop price. Stop price is 440 rupees 20 paisa and your limit should be higher than 440 rupees 20 paisa. In this case, limit price, keep a distance at least 1% so that it will guarantee you execution. Just for example, here we'll keep around 440 rupees and then go and press the buy button. Now our order got placed. You can see the notification. If you want to modify this order, it is again simple. Just keep the cursor and then just drag and drop it, and again, as I said, our limit price should be higher than the stop price, and then just modify it. Our order got modified. The moment price crosses this price, automatically our order get executed in between 462 and 466. And also this order type is going to be very useful when you are taking a breakout trades like a candlestick breakout or a price action pattern breakout. So to cancel this order, very simple, you can go and click into mark and then give a confirmation. You can cancel it, or you can go to the order panel and then go and cancel it. Now let's go to our last example, how to place stop loss. So now my order got executed. I want to place a stop loss just below this swing low. Just I'll keep my cursor here and I press sell and then I'll select stop limit. And then I'll specify the stop loss. Limit price should be lower than the stop price in sell stop loss. I'll keep around 1%, that is 2 rupees. Just I'll keep around 214. Then I'll go and place it. If a price is going in my direction, I'll keep trailing the stop loss. Let's see. Now let me trial stop loss closer to my entry price. So now I'll also bring my limit price closer to stop price. This is how you can trial your stop loss. Now price is very close to stop loss. My stop loss got triggered. I exited the position. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please comment, share and also subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed yet.